In this video, I'll be showing you how to share your Gamma AI presentation as a link. Starting from the dashboard, I'll choose the presentation I want to share, which in this case is the Video AI tool. I'll wait a moment for the editor to fully load all the slides and elements. Once everything is ready, I'll move my cursor to the top right of the screen and click on the Share button to open up the Settings panel. Currently, the link sharing is turned off, so I'll click the No Access drop-down menu under the Anyone with the Link section. I'm going to change this to Edit so that my team can collaborate on the project directly. After selecting the permission level, I'll go to the bottom of the window and click Copy Share Link, and you can see the green confirmation at the top. Now I want to verify that the link is working correctly, so I'll open a new browser. I'll paste the link into the address bar and hit Enter to see how the presentation looks for someone else. It takes a few seconds to load, but once it does, I can see the entire project is accessible. I'll scroll through the slides, checking the content like the common mistakes and core functions, to make sure the layout is perfect for my viewers. It looks like everything is functioning exactly as intended. I'll head back to the main editor and take one last look at those share settings to confirm everything is set up. And there you have it. That's the complete process of sharing a Gamma AI presentation as a link. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.